What's up, everybody? I ordered myself one of the new Stitch Real Effects puppets. Bought them from somewhere in Europe. Learning Express Toys and Gifts. Let's see what we got here. Stitch is one of my favorite characters of all time. And to have him in a puppet, you just can't beat it. So I had to get myself one of them. Let's see what's in here. Awesome. Real Effects Disney Stitch Puppet. 100 sounds and actions. It's got this cool, like, verified sticker, holographic over there. Wow stuff. That's who it's by. I actually saw this out in Germany at Toy Fair. And out there, I was like playing with it. I knew I had to get one then. They told me that it was coming out on 626, which I thought was very cool. Let's open this guy up, I guess. It looks like there's like some screws back here. More on the front here. Step 2 is on the bottom here. Saying to push these tabs in and take the dome off. Cool. Got a pamphlet here. Certificate of authenticity. The last step here says we gotta unlock them. These tabs in place. And we have released the beast. He's got a few motions. He's got obviously his chomping, his eyes opening and closing, and his ears. He's very soft too. The fabric that they use, so soft. I gotta get some batteries in this guy. We got our batteries and our screwdriver, so let's put them in and see what this guy does. He's alive. So fun. Who wouldn't want that? Alright, I can pop them right back in there and put them on display. I mean, great packaging because he just goes right back together. So cool. Love it. You could have a lot of fun with him.